Okay, question 13 to 15 of this fraction assignment, and decimals and fractions and percent and all that. And let's just try this. Simplify the following. Well, if you see a string of operations and there aren't brackets, which is good mathematical punctuation, then you have to follow this thing here where you do the brackets first, if you do see them, then division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction at the end. It can make a difference. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, let's just see. The first question here, 13a. You could, if you just type this into your calculator, exactly the way it is, your calculator will give you the right answer. But if you go, 12,6 minus 11.8, if you were thinking 126 minus 118, well, the difference would be 8. It's 0,8 though. It's 0,8. Just subtract those things, put them on top of each other, follow your subtraction thing. 0.8, 8 plus 8 is 16, so that's gonna make that a 6 there, plus one more to make that 4,64. That's that one. Now, if you put this next question, 15.5 divided by 0.05 plus 22.4, if you put it in your calculator, it looks like your calculator knows BODMAS because it gives you the right answer. You have to do the division first. Now, I moved the decimal in both numbers 2 to the right. So 1550 divided by 5. Well, 1500 divided by 5 is 300, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. So there's 310. And 310 plus 22 is 332 and comma 4. So I could have done that without a calculator. The next question, you're supposed to do division first. 16.2 cut in half divided by 2. Well, you could say, I think maybe 16.2 divided by 2. Just take half of it. It's 8.1. Even easier than the way I was thinking here. Then just add 5.7. 8 and 5 is 13. 1 and 7 is 8. 13.8. Take away 1.8. Well, 38 minus 19, that's going to give you 38 minus 19 is going to be 19. That's right. That's right. So it's 1819 there. So there's that one done. Not too bad. Let's look at question 14. Simplify the following. Now this one you do the brackets. 2.1 plus 3, that's 5.1. 11.9 minus 5.9, well the 9's fall away. 11 minus 5 is 6. 5.1 times 6, 5 times 6 is 30. And 6 times 0.1 is 0.6, so it must be 30.6. The next question, 10.3 minus 8.7. You know, you can see here, if you put the decimals over there and put them on top of each other, 13 minus 3 minus 7 doesn't work, so you have to carry one. 13 minus 7 is 6. Then you've used one from here, so that's why it's 9 minus 8 is 16. That's why it's 1,6, except there's decimal place there. 1.6, there you go. You add it to 4 times 9 is 36, but it's 3.6. And 1.6, 3.6, that's 5.2. The way 16 and 36 would be 52, except there's a decimal place there. Okay, let's try the last question. This person, Ahmed, he earns $4.60 an hour, and he works for 10.5 hours. What you do is just multiply them together. That's how you figure out how much money he'd make. That's that question. But this person here wins a lottery, but she's going to share it equally among 8 people. That means she's going to divide it by 8. She's going to cut it up into 8 pieces. She's dividing it by 8. So put that big giant 1,216,320 divided by 8, you get here $152,040. This is from Australia, so there'd be Australian dollars. So there's that one.